Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Shein application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein app on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the bottom section. Go ahead and tap on it and use your credentials and you will be logged into your Shein account right away. Once you are logged in, if you wish to change your password, tap on the Me option at the bottom right corner and then tap on the gear icon at the top right, which will take you into the settings page. Now within the settings page, tap on Manage My Account and you will see the Change Password option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to enter your old password in order to verify your identity first. So type in your current password within the old password box and then enter your desired new password within the new password section. You can then type in your new password once again within the last confirm password box and then click on the submit button, and now your password will be changed successfully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password within the Shein app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.